Well, hello there. Have you subscribed to my channel? If yes, thanks a bunch. If no, pause the video now and hit the button. Have you subscribed now? Thank you if did. So let's start the video then. We are going to talk about money today. That's not what I actually mean. I meant that I'm gonna tell you 10 phrases that to you for using it in your daily conversation with masaledar examples of them. So let's get going, folks. So the first goes like to laugh all the way to the bank. The meaning is to make a lot of money, especially by doing something that other people thought was foolish or amusing. For example, we can take people thought his invention was ridiculous, but now he's laughing all the way to the bank. Second goes like to bank on something or someone. Meaning is something or someone you can totally be sure of. For example, you can always bank on friends to help you. The third one goes like strapped for cash. For me, the meaning is the short of money. For example, would you mind covering the cost of dinner? I'm a little strapped for cash at the moment. The fourth one goes like to be broke. I think you know the meaning. The meaning is to have no money or to be poor. For example, I can't go out tonight. I'm broke. So the fifth one is to go bust. The meaning is to spend or lose all of one's money. For example, I'm going to go bust if I have to pay any more medical bills this month. The sixth one goes like money for old rope. Meaning is a job that is an easy way for earning money. For example, we can take a lot of people think that being a professional footballer is money for old rope. But that isn't true, right? Okay. So the seventh one goes like to have money burning a hole in the pocket. The meaning is to have money which you are eager to spend. Very eager. For example, as soon as he gets paid each week, the money starts burning a hole in his pocket. The eighth one is to tighten the purse strings. The meaning is to reduce the amount of money that can be spent. In short, we can say saving the money. For example, if we want to go on holiday this year, we need to tighten purse strings a bit. The ninth one goes like worth their or its weight in gold. The meaning is to be very valuable, important or useful. For example, this recipe book is worth its weight in gold. It tells you everything you need to know. The 10th and the last one is from rags to riches. Meaning is used to describe what happens to a person who was poor but becomes rich. For example, we can say she went from rags to riches with pure hard work. So, the 10 phrases are over here, and like the video, subscribe to my channel. See you soon in the next video.